Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a much needed maintenance on this chainsaw. Clean, adjust, and repair as required. A picture is worth 1,000 words, they say. A good cleanup is definitely going to be needed. So here I'm tearing apart the chainsaw in fast mode. There's lots to remove so I can clean it properly. Enjoy it. Or try to anyway. And finally, it's apart, or as much as I'm going to go anyway. This is how I cleaned the chainsaw, using the shop vac and a pick to get most of the dirt out. I also used air in the tighter spots later on. Here I'm removing the clutch so I can inspect the automatic chain oiler and as well the bearing behind it, and I'll also clean it, of course. I don't know if you see it, but here's the arrows pointing this way, so this has to spin this way to come off. In order to do that, gotta put they call for a special tool to go inside the cylinder to block the cylinder, but when the piston start coming back up, so put a rope in it. Get the homemade tool, they go there. Make sure you're turning it this way, and just let her rip. There we go. There you go. Yes, I loosened it off with the 1/2 inch and air impact. It was just, forgot to film it, so I figured I'd show you guys how to do it properly. So this is probably not strong enough, but a 1/2 inch impact is. Here you see me cleaning the automatic oiler drive gear. Okay, not seen, but I inspected the oiler by adding oil and letting it sit for a while. See if it would leak. It didn't. Now I'm going to be putting it back all together. Here I am installing the bearing, which I have previously greased beforehand. The clutch is back together. Yes, the videos are out of sequence, but here you can see me cleaning this side, which is the side where the fan is, basically, and pull start. One of the few wires was damaged, so I cut it, soldered it, and put a heat shrink on it. Proper repairs. Here's the completed repair, as you can see, with the properly heat shrink to prevent any damage further down the road. After cleaning and inspecting, I'm reassembling the chain brake back together. The end is near. The chain bar and chain is going back on. I'll be doing some testing.
Mm-hmm.